Carding is the foundation process of yarn manufacturing. It is at the carding stage that the previously loose, unoriented cotton fiber first takes on a textile form, sliver. The card is made up of a series of cylinders, which are wire-wound. This wire has tiny teeth cut into it, and each tooth serves to transport a small number of fibers through the machine. There are also wire-covered surfaces called flats that come in close proximity to the main cylinder. This is the area where most of the carding action takes place. The wire-wound cylinders acting against one another in conjunction with the flats are the actions that accomplish carding's main purpose: to straighten, align, and parallel the fiber. The card is also a very efficient cleaner and removes a significant amount of trash and dust particles as well. After the semi-aligned fiber is removed, doffed, from the last cylinder, it is condensed into a sliver using a trumpet, or funnel. The sliver is then coiled into a can for temporary storage and transport to the next process.